In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WPBakery Page Builder in WordPress. First, head to wordpress.com/sites and choose the site you want to work on. Once you're in your site dashboard, look for the Plugins option in the left-hand menu and open it. This takes you to the WordPress.com marketplace, where you can browse and add plugins to your site. In the search bar, type WPBakery Page Builder. You might see suggestions as you type. Go ahead and select the result for WPBakery Page Builder to open its dedicated page. On the plugin page, take a moment to review the details. You'll see the full description highlighting the drag-and-drop editor and the two interfaces, the live front-end editor and the back-end editor, so you know exactly what you're getting. You can also check the last updated date and scan through related plugins if you're comparing options. Next, look at the pricing section. You'll see the current price displayed, along with billing options like monthly and annually. Toggle between them to see what works best for your budget. The annual option typically offers savings over the monthly rate. When you're ready, click Get Started to begin the checkout and setup flow. You'll now be guided through connecting the plugin to a site address. If you need a new domain, choose Search Domains and follow the prompts to pick one. If you already have a domain you want to use, click Already Have a Domain and proceed. Enter your domain in the field provided, then click Continue to move forward. This step ensures the plugin is provisioned correctly for the specific site where you'll be building pages. After you complete the purchase and domain step, WordPress.com will handle the installation for you. That means WPBakery Page Builder will be added to your site without any extra uploads or manual setup. If you're not seeing the plugins menu at the start, it may be because your current plan doesn't support third-party plugins. In that case, you'll need a plan that includes plugin support before proceeding. Once the installation finishes, you'll be able to edit a page and see WPBakery's editor options available right away. From there, you can launch the front-end or back-end editor to start building layouts with rows, columns, and content elements. If you ever need to revisit details, you can return to the plugin page to review the description, update